Hey people, welcome to a new vlog, guys. I am so excited. Today we are moving to a new place. I think in the last video when I did the whole house hunting thing and viewings, I asked y'all to guess which one we are picking. I hope you all made the right guess, but yeah. So today we are moving and I'm just so happy, although it's been so stressful because we've been packing and I'm like, God, I don't think I can do this again. Like this whole packing thing, I don't think I can do this again because it's so freaking stressful. And if we must do anything packing again, it's us maybe moving to our home, like our permanent home, because yo, it's so stressful. But yeah, we are done packing. Today is Saturday and we're just waiting for the moving guys, the moving van to come and pack everything. This video is just going to be very short, guys. This is just like an update or a check-in or something. Everything is all packed. Like I'm in the room and I'm so shocked at how empty the room is. Like everywhere is just so empty. But today is Saturday. We are moving today, but tomorrow we'll still come to this place tomorrow. Yeah, so our tenancy in this apartment will end on Monday, so tomorrow we'll still come tomorrow and just do like the final cleaning and everything. Okay, so tomorrow we'll come and clean. So the cleaning won't be too thorough because apparently where I stay, this apartment, you know, complex, it's like there is a company in charge of it, and whether you clean or not or do whatever you want to do, they will still should I say hire cleaners to clean. So we wanted to even hire our own professional cleaners, but they were like, whether you do cleaning or anything, they will still hire their own professional cleaners to still clean the house. Like it's like a policy for them. So we won't be doing like deep cleaning, like end of tenancy cleaning. We won't be doing that. I'm glad it's all over now and we are moving now. So yeah, let me just show you guys what the place looks like. The place is all messed up but yeah, we're just waiting for the moving guys to come and just pick up our item. Look at me looking like a grandma, guys. I really don't even have strength to put anything on my hair right now. That's why it's tight. So yeah, let me show you what everywhere looks like. Okay, the bed, although I have some things on the bed though, but it's when the moving vehicle come, we'll pack all those. That's my handbag, some other things here, our bags, our laptops are in there. I have this bag over here. I want to donate these clothes, so I think tomorrow when I come back to do like the final cleaning, I'll go donate those clothes. I have my handbags, my laptop bag, and some other thing, my winter jacket. And this is the, should I say, the entrance of the place. We kept a lot of our clothes and some other things in all these Ghana must goes because we got these sacks at, I think, the Cake Gate Market here in Leeds. So they sell things like this and it's been really useful. We have so many boxes over here and our shoes and some other boxes, and this is the real thing, guys. So we just have lots and lots of boxes and our things. And yeah, we just have some other things that we might just come back to pick tomorrow, but the main things are moving today. And yeah, here's the kitchen. Oh my god, the kitchen is so empty. Kitchen is so empty. So as I said, we'll come back tomorrow to just do final cleaning. And yes, guys, so when the moving people come, yeah, I'll just vlog that a bit. And yeah, this video is going to be very short. This is just like a check-in video to just show you guys what is happening. And when we get to the new place, oh my god, I can't wait to show you. I'm so excited. Like, I'm just so excited to be moving. I'm so happy, guys. And yeah, see you soon. loves. I hope you all are doing amazing. So yes guys, we are finally here in the new space. I don't know if you guys guessed correctly, but yes, we picked the third apartment reviewed because guys, if you guys know me, I am not in for all this, you know, the open plan apartments, the ones that have sitting room and kitchen joined together. No, I'm sorry, I cannot. And we didn't want to get like a house, like a proper house. We kind of prefer apartments, but if you know, you know that in the UK, to find an apartment or a flat that comes with a separate kitchen is very hard. If you guys know, in the last apartment we stayed in, we were very lucky with a separate kitchen, and we're already used to that, guys. So we just don't want to, you know, go below that. So I'm just in the kitchen right now. The kitchen is very spacious, guys. I love it. Like, it's literally like ×2 of my previous kitchen, which I love. I have so many boxes everywhere, but I'm not even mad, honestly. Like, I'm literally going to take my time, like my sweet time, to unbox. So I have my tripod over here. Let me just put my tripod down and talk to y'all better. So guys, I had to just set down my camera on a tripod, and yeah, I have literally like a whole lot of boxes here, but I'm just gonna take my time to just unpack, even if it takes me like a week or two. Honestly, like I'm so tired. The environment of this place, I really love it. This area has like, it's more family friendly. Like, there is a park literally 2 minutes walk from the house. There is Asda literally 5 minutes walk from the house. There is, yeah, you guys know we are Catholic. There's a Catholic church literally 5 minutes walk from the house. There is also a primary school like 10 minutes walk from the house. Everything is just very close to the place, which I really love. The only downside I would just say is that the rooms are not the biggest. The rooms are not the biggest, but when you are, should I say, on a budget, you just need to know your priority and, you know, compromise on the rest. Okay, the rooms are not the biggest, but the double wardrobes kind of compensate for that, because everything will just be in the wardrobe and nothing will really be like in the space, which I love. That's just it about the rent of this place. This place is $9.50 a month. So yeah, that's just it. I just want to just take my time to just unpack whatever I can unpack now, and I'll do the rest later, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.